Hello. Do you want to speak English fast? Do you want to speak like a native speaker today? Welcome to a very special episode of Sophia Class.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I am Bob. It is great to be here with you.
And I am Sophia. Bob, today is going to be amazing. We are going to talk about a method to learn English very quickly.
That sounds fantastic, Sophia. But wait, that is a new word. What does method mean?
Good question, Bob. A method is a way of doing something. It's like a plan or recipe. For example, if you want to bake a cake, you follow a method. Today, we have a method for English.
I see. So we have a special plan for our friends. I love plans. But before we share this plan, we have one small request for you.
Yes, if you want to learn these secrets and grow with us, please subscribe to our channel right now.
It is very easy. Just click the subscribe button. It helps you find our lessons every time. Don't miss out.
Exactly. Are you ready to learn the best way to study? Let's start. Okay, Bob, to learn English fast, you need to master the 4 skills.
4 skills? That sounds like a lot of work. What is a skill, Sophia?
Good question. A skill is something you learn to do well. For example, cooking is a skill. Driving a car is a skill. In English, the 4 skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
I see. Cooking is definitely my favorite skill. But, Sophia, where do we start? Which one is the most important for learning fast?
Think about a baby, Bob. When a baby is born, does he write a letter? Does he read a book?
No, of course not. A baby cannot write. A baby just listens. He listens to his mother and father for a long time.
Exactly. So the first and most important skill is listening. It is the key.
The key? You mean like a car key?
Not exactly. Here, key means the most important part. Listening opens the door to speaking. If you don't hear the words, you cannot say them.
That makes sense. We must put English in our ears before it comes out of our mouths.
Right. Now, friends, let's play a tiny game to test your ears. I want everyone to participate. Are you ready?
I am ready. What do I do?
Okay, close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes right now. I want you to listen to the room you are in. Don't speak, just listen. What do you hear? A car, a bird, or maybe just silence? Okay, open your eyes. Bob, what did you hear?
Wow, it was interesting. I heard the clock on the wall. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I usually don't hear it because I am not paying attention.
Exactly. That is the secret. There's a difference between hearing and listening.
Really? I thought they were the same thing. What is the difference?
Hearing just happens. Sound comes into your ear, but listening is active. You try to understand, you focus. To learn English fast, you must listen, not just hear.
I love that. So friends, are you ready to learn how to listen perfectly? Sophia, I have a friend who just moved to the USA from another country. He is very sad. He says, Bob, I studied English for years, but here people speak too fast. It sounds like a machine gun.
Oh, poor guy. That is the real English problem. In school, teachers speak slowly, but in real life, we speak fast.
Exactly. So how can I help my friend? Is there a scientific way to understand fast English?
Yes, tell your friend to use the echo technique.
Echo? You mean like in a big, empty room or a mountain? When you shout, hello, and the sound comes back? Hello, hello.
Yes, that is an echo. To learn fast, your friend must listen to a sentence and then imitate it immediately, just like an echo.
That sounds fun, but imitate is a strong word. What does imitate mean, Sophia?
Imitate means to copy someone exactly. You don't just say the words, you copy the music, the speed, and the feeling. You act like the speaker.
I see. So he needs to be a copycat. Okay, let's show him how to do it. I will pretend to be a student.
Great idea, Bob. I will say a sentence, you listen, and then you echo me instantly. Ready?
I am ready.
Listen closely. I understand English perfectly. Now echo.
I understand English perfectly.
Wonderful! You copied my feeling, too. Now, friends listening at home, it is your turn. I will say it again. You imitate me. Ready? I understand English perfectly.
Good job. Tell us in the comments if you did it.
This technique trains your ears and your mouth together. It is very powerful.
Okay, Sophia. The echo technique is great for listening, but speaking is different. My friend says, Bob, I have nobody to talk to, and I am shy.
That is just an excuse, Bob. He has the best partner in the world, himself.
Himself? You mean he should talk to himself? People might think he is crazy.
No, not crazy. It's smart. I call this the Sportscaster Game.
A sportscaster? Like the guy on TV who shouts, goal, goal, goal?
Yes, exactly. To learn fast, you must describe your life like a reporter. When you wash your hands, say, I am washing my hands. When you walk, say, I am walking fast.
Ah, I see. So you narrate your life. But Sophia, describe is a key word here. What does describe mean?
To describe means to say what you see or what is happening. For example, the sky is blue describes the sky. The coffee is hot describes the coffee.
Okay, I want to play. Let me look around. I am holding a black microphone. How was that?
Perfect. You described the microphone. Now let's wake up our friends.
Yes. Listeners, open your eyes wide. Look around your room right now. Find one thing, maybe a pen, a window, or your phone.
Now say one sentence about it out loud, right now. Describe it. Pause for 5 seconds.
Did you do it? Did you say the table is white or my phone is new?
If you did, congratulations! You just practiced speaking without a partner. Do this all day and your brain will start thinking in English.
Okay, Sophia, speaking is fun now, but reading and writing, my friend hates big grammar books. He says they are boring and make him sleepy.
Tell him to throw away the big books. To learn fast, you don't need a library. You just need your phone.
His phone? But he's always on Instagram and YouTube. Is that studying?
Yes, if he changes his settings to English, this is the social media method.
How does it work?
It is simple. Read short posts about things you love. Do you love football? Read about Messi in English. Do you love cooking? Read recipes in English.
Ah, so you read about a specific topic you enjoy. But Sophia, what does topic mean?
A topic is the subject you are talking or reading about. For example, technology is a topic, fashion is a topic, pizza is definitely a topic.
Pizza is my favorite topic. Okay, so he reads about pizza, but how does he practice writing?
That is the magic part. After he reads a post, he must write a short comment.
A comment, like, wow, looks good?
Exactly. Even 2 words are enough. Great goal, or I agree. When you write a comment, you stop being passive. You become active.
I love this. It connects reading and writing together. Okay, friends, let's try this. What is your favorite topic?
Think about it now. Do you like cars, cats, travel? What do you want to read about in English?
Did you choose one? Good.
Tonight, find one post about that topic in English. Read it and write one comment. That is your homework.
Sophia, my friend has one more big problem. He writes lists of 100 new words every day, but the next day he forgets 99 of them. And grammar rules, he hates them.
Oh, poor guy. That is the old school method. It doesn't work for fast learning.
So, what is the secret? How can he remember words forever without boring lists?
The secret is never learn a word alone. Always learn phrases or sentences. We call this context.
Context, that sounds important. What does context mean, Sophia?
Context is the situation around a word. It is the story that gives meaning. For example, the word run. It has many meanings. You run a race or you run a business.
Ah, I see. Without context, run is just a sound. But in a sentence like, I run every morning to be healthy, the meaning is clear.
Exactly. And guess what? When you learn the sentence, you learn the grammar too. You don't study rules like subject plus verb plus object. You just feel it.
Wow, that is like magic. You learn vocabulary and grammar at the same time.
Yes, so no more lists. If you see a new word, write the whole sentence.
I love that. Okay, friends, let's try this together. Don't just learn the word happy.
No, learn the sentence, I feel so happy when I eat pizza. Now you know the word happy, the verb feel, and the connector win. 3 in 1.
That is brilliant. Okay, listeners, say that sentence with me now. I feel so happy when I eat pizza. Wow, Sophia, today was amazing. We learned so many new things. My brain is full.
Yes, but don't let it explode, Bob. Let's do a quick review so our friends remember everything.
Good idea. First, we learned about skills.
Yes, a skill is something you learn to do well, like listening or speaking.
Then we talked about the echo technique.
Right, you listen and imitate exactly what you hear. To imitate means to copy the sound and feeling.
For speaking, we played the Sportscaster game.
Yes, you describe what you see or do. To describe means to say what is happening. I am walking, the sky is blue.
And for reading, we used the social media method.
Exactly. You choose a topic you love, like football or cooking. A topic is the subject. Then you read a post and write a comment.
And finally, no more boring lists. We learn with context.
Yes, context is the whole sentence. I run every morning. It teaches you words and grammar together.
That is a perfect plan. But Sophia, one last question. What is the most important advice for my friend?
The most important thing is consistency.
Consistency. That is a big word. What does it mean?
Consistency means doing something regularly, every single day, not for 5 hours on Monday and 0 on Tuesday. Just 15 minutes every day is better than 5 hours once a week.
Like brushing your teeth. You do it every day.
Exactly. English is not a subject you study, it is a life you live. So, friends, promise us just 15 minutes every day. Can you do that?
I think they can. We believe in you, friends. Thank you for listening today, friends. You took a big step towards speaking fluent English.
Yes, we are so proud of you. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Be kind to yourself.
If this lesson helped you, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon.
Bell? Why the bell, Sophia?
The bell is the small alarm button. If you click it, YouTube tells you immediately when we have a new lesson. You will never miss a class.
That is smart. And for homework, what should they write in the comments?
In the comments below, tell us, what is your favorite topic? Is it football, music, travel? We want to know what you like.
Or maybe is your favorite topic pizza? Speaking of pizza, Sophia, I am getting very hungry after all this talking.
Me too, Bob. My stomach is making noisy sounds. Let's go practice our context with a large pepperoni pizza.
Great plan. Goodbye, everyone. Stay consistent and keep practicing.
See you in the next video. We love you. Bye-bye.